they were lying to you about trading all this time. There are so many ways to manipulate performances, results, educational content in a way it is presented looks absolutely amazing, legit, but in reality there is absolutely nothing behind it. Okay? And in this video it will be the first part number 1 of a series of videos where I want to explain what do you need to pay attention to in order not to fall in fake promises, in fake accounts, fake or scam profiles that basically all they want is your money to be invested in some whatever you can name it, some asset or some portfolio or whatsoever, and then you can say bye-bye to your money. So this is the first video of this series, and today I want to discuss about the MyFxBook. MyFxBook is one of the, maybe even the biggest third-party company where traders, or I would say so many so-called traders, upload their performances. Now don't get me wrong, there are many legit, good, reliable, powerful traders, systems, solutions, managed accounts and so on. But there are way too many scams, okay? And that it ruins this beautiful market, the world of trading, the world of Forex trading, because, you know, think about it, as a newcomer, they are exposed to this sort of behavior, this sort of scam. Why would they want to stay in this world of trading? So yeah, it annoys me big time, and that's why I want to explain what do you need to pay attention to. So in this video I will be covering and talking about the MyFxBook, one of the biggest, maybe the biggest third party for accounts verification, performance verification. There are many ways around that people found how to manipulate or trick the results. I uploaded a special video about that. Make sure you watch it. You will see it right now as a recommendation on the right corner of this video. You can find it in my YouTube channel. Make sure you watch it so you understand what do you really need to pay attention to. My honest recommendation and request from you, do your research, okay? Behind anyone who you choose to follow, any system, any person, any service, okay? Just make your own research so you can understand who are the legit people, who understands what they actually deliver to you, okay? Who really stands behind his or her words, and who is just selling you fake promises and never deliver. Okay, so in today's video, again, part number 1, and I will show you how absolutely same account presents and shows way different performance. Okay, and I want you to think, I'll be going to my charts now, and I want you to think after that, if you come to the world of trading, if you find trading, right, and you see that, which of these accounts would you actually decide to follow? Okay, so it will be very interesting to talk about that, and I want to show it to you how that happens. So let's go to the charts, let's begin. But before we begin, I have a little request for you. If you find value in this video and other videos and content I upload for you to my channel, please hit this like button, few words in the comment section. Any feedback there would be greatly appreciated, and you know, all the algorithm behind the YouTube and all that, that's how it works. So your support is needed and very much appreciated. If you are new to this channel, so first of all, welcome to our amazing community. Make sure you subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below this video. Just remember to enable the notification so you know when there is a new video available for you. And I hope you find value in this video. Okay, so as promised, let's go to the charts. So as I promised, I will show you how the same account could look absolutely different. Take a look. This is the first way. Looks so good. Now pay attention to the numbers. 23.34, the balance 12.334. The only thing you will see different would be the drawdown here, which in that case is slightly below 6%, and the equity, because it was a few seconds difference when I took the screens. And this is the same account, as you can see. Balance, you can see the equity is slightly different here. But look at the chart, how different it looks like because of the drawdown. Okay, now how could the same account look so different? So there are many ways to play, I would say, with the performances. Okay, or sort of manipulate the way the chart looks like. And unfortunately, too many people, those who present performances, know that and use that. Now, if you didn't watch this video, please make sure in my YouTube channel, find the MyFxBook video I uploaded. I talk about different ways how you can, legally within the tools that there are with MyFxBook. And don't get me wrong, MyFxBook is amazing tool as a third-party company, right? And there are so many great trader services, robots, managed accounts out there, but unfortunately there are way more those who sell you dreams or air and deliver nothing, okay, just by presenting beautiful numbers. So what and how could that actually happen? So what happened here is I took that a while ago, okay, it was running on my link, and then before I record this video, what I did is I reconnected. That's all I did. Reconnected my account. And that's what I get. It's private account. It's not public or anything like that. I have zero interest to make any show off or whatsoever. It's me and my money. And in that case, I want for full transparency. This is a PAM account service I follow of a colleague of mine, which I had the privilege to create great automated solutions. That's it. So the only difference here is because this was uploaded before, and you can see the numbers and the drawdown in that case, and you can see this one which was reconnected or re-uploaded. Not the drawdown. And now here is a question for you. Let's say you just see that for the first time. Which service would you very likely go and follow? This or this? Most likely the answer will be this. The chart looks so good, right? The performance versus the drawdown and everything, it looks great. And that's where so many traders fall. Why? And this would remain like that unless the next information would come in. I can freeze that and you would never know if it changes or not. I can basically reconnect it again in the future. And again, think about how many websites, services, fake ones, not legit ones, not real ones, use such different techniques, okay? And many traders will actually fall in that. So again, please watch my MyFxBook video in my channel. I discuss different ways that many different traders actually go and use when they present their performances. Okay, now again, please don't get me wrong. There are absolutely great traders, services, PAM account managers, automated solutions, and so on out. I have only one request from you. Be smart, do your research. Do your homework, do your research. Don't say, oh, that's a good chart. Bam! Do your research, find out about the person, about the service, about the solution that is offered, the robot or the managed account, whatever you follow. Do your research. You really have to understand if the person or the service is legit, how long are they in the market, what they actually do. Do your research to see, if there is information about them, how long are they in the industry, because you can see these charts everywhere in the social media, everywhere online, and they just come disappear with new promises, with new names, with new whatever. So please be smarter, do your research, and don't fall into these little tricks. So I wanted in this video to present you how easily it's done, and how many, and very sadly, how many people actually lie about that, or spread fake promises. They do not want anything more than your money, put their hands on your money. So please be careful, okay? There are too many scams out there, fake promises, fake services. Now, this is an important subject. Many times my followers ask me, Vlad, why don't you publish your MyFxBook? So look, I'm in this industry for more than 15 years. I am online, I figure online since 2000, maybe even earlier. So much history, so much trekking, everywhere. You can find me everywhere. I am not the guy who is going to make any sort of show off and go and present. Let me show you. Take a look, okay? That's few of the accounts I have. To be honest and transparent about that, couple of these accounts are connected and related to what I explained before, the managed way. Okay, I had the privilege to partner with a colleague of mine and actually create great things. There is money working with that. There is money, my living money, which is with the banks. That's why you will not see that in my. So, do I have my MyFxBook? Yes. But why would I go and show off on that? That's my money. Money I worked for. Money I worked hard for. Money I traded hard, very hard for. It takes time to build up this money. I was not born to some sheikh or some oligarchs or whatsoever. No, I had to build myself from zero, from scratch. So please understand that I have zero interest to go and publicly show such links. It's my money. It's what I make for me, for my family. That's it. It's you, and I hope you understand it. It's no one else's business. That's my money and my responsibility and my trading. I'm not the guy to go and to make a show off. That's why you will never see that publicly running and selling dreams. No, that's my trading. That's the techniques I use. That's the techniques I teach in Home Trader Club. That's the techniques I follow years after years after years. Okay, it's me and my money. So for all those who wonder, Vlad, why don't you go and publicly show all this account? Because I don't need to prove anything to no one. That's me and my trading. I am an online figure for so many years, over a decade now. Do the research. As I suggested before, do the research. So I record this video to show how easily I can present the same account with different charts. Now imagine what you see online. Why do you think you see so many services and different pages or whatsoever pop up, showing results and disappear? A week after or 2 weeks after their advertising is over, boom, new accounts, looks better. Everything is reconnected, re-uploaded, and so on and so on. There are way too many ways to play around it. And unfortunately, there are too many people who use that to put their hands on your money. So please do your research. Okay? And again, please don't get me wrong. I don't record it to talk negative or anything about anyone. Just want positively explain you, pay attention to that. There are legit, proven, great, better than myself, traders out there, services out there, managed accounts, robots, whatever. There are greatly legit services and solutions for traders. So please do your research. Who do you actually follow? Who do you learn from how to trade? And where do you gain your knowledge and develop your skills as a trader? Okay? So, and I wanted in this video to actually present you how easily it could be done. Okay, this is the first video of the series. I will make few videos with different things that unfortunately people lie to you about. Okay, Okay, lie, up. There is no other word to use that. There are too many, very unfortunately, too many fake, absolutely fake services, people, accounts, profiles, indicator, whatever, that have zero interest of deliver you quality. All they want is to put their hands on your money. So please, once again, do your research. Thank you very much for watching this video. So that would be all for this video. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I really hope you find value in it. And once again, do your research. Please check the person, the service that you plan to follow. Make sure you understand fully what you see. If you don't, ask, contact, ask questions, okay? A real person, a real service would never ignore you and would never sell you dreams. They will provide you with answers. Okay? So please be smart. It's your money. You worked hard for that. And I'm in pain because such people with fake promises, with zero delivery, with fake numbers, all they want is just your money. They have zero interest in improving you. They ruin, they damage, they ruin the world of trading and the name of for me, the amazing market, the Forex market. That's how you will see some people talk negatively about trading and especially Forex because of such services. Yet there are too many fake ones. So please do your research. Once again, thanks for your time. I hope you find value in this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to us with the subscribe button below. And don't forget, like button, few words in the comment section. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.